I transformed myself into Cuphead, you guys can keep on watching. So first, as always, we are going to start with the face paint, and ignore my red finger and the red on my face. I was dyeing my hair earlier and I didn't have gloves. So I'm just going to take my pink eyeliner pencil and draw out basically how I want my face to look. We have our outline done, and we are going to move on to covering the outside of our face. So the colors I will be using is mixing some black with white to create a light gray shade. Have the gray done, I am going to go in these circles around my eyes and do it completely white. Now that we have the white done of our face, and we are going to start on the nose. Now that I finished with this, you could just leave it like that, but I am going to add contacts like I always do. Now that we have the face paint done, we just have to put the rest of the cosplay on. So I have a pair of red shorts. Next I have a black sweater, my wig, and I just have this red wig. I made this Cuphead headband, and if you guys want to learn how to make this, tune in next week, because next week I will post a video on how I make this headband. So just put that on top. I really love how it looks and turned out. Now lastly, we need the gloves. Now I bought a pair of white gloves and I just added some puffy paint to replicate the lines on. One glove on, and I am Cuphead. Pew pew pew. If you guys enjoyed this video of me turning myself into Cuphead. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, because I have other cosplays on my channel. I have Bendy and the Ink Machine and other cool stuff on my channel. So I love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.